In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add first name to your Klaviyo email. By the end, you'll know exactly where to set your name in Klaviyo so it shows up consistently across your emails and account, and you'll avoid the common spots where people get stuck. Start by opening Klaviyo and heading to the main dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct account or workspace you use for sending emails. It's a small detail, but it prevents confusion later if you manage multiple brands. Look to the bottom left of the screen for your profile area. This is typically your avatar or initials. Click it to open your account menu. If your interface looks a little different, Klaviyo occasionally updates the layout. Just look for the profile or account icon in that corner. From that menu, choose Settings. This is where Klaviyo keeps all of your account level preferences. You don't need to change anything else here today, so we'll keep it focused. Next, go to Account. This section contains the details tied to your user profile. Within Account, select the Personal tab. This is the place where your first and last name live, and it's what many email templates and signatures can reference for the sender name. Click into the first name field and type the name you want to appear. Use the version of your name you're comfortable sending to your audience, whether that's your full first name or a shorter, friendly version. Keep it clean and professional. Avoid emojis or extra punctuation, as those can look inconsistent in inboxes and reporting. Now enter your last name. While some brands prefer to send with a first name only, including your last name can add a touch of credibility or help when multiple team members send campaigns. Match the capitalization you want recipients to see. When you're done, click Save. Give it a second to confirm your changes. If you don't see a confirmation, refresh the page to ensure everything's stuck. From here, any new emails or templates that pull from your account's display name will reflect these updates. If you're using a signature block or a from name in your sending settings, double check those to make sure they're aligned with what you just entered. And if you collaborate with teammates, it's a good idea to have each sender update their own profile so customers always know who an email is from. One quick tip: if you plan to personalize messages with a recipient's first name in the body of your emails, that's managed separately through profile properties and template variables. Today's change is specifically about your sender and account name. That's it. Simple, clear, and done. Save your changes and you're ready to send with confidence.